How do vegans get complete plant proteins? Have you ever wondered how vegans manage to get all the proteins they need from plants? It might seem tricky, but it is quite simple once you understand the basics. Let's break it down. Complete proteins are those that contain all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are vital because our bodies cannot produce them on their own. Vegans can obtain these essential amino acids from various plant foods. Some plant foods are naturally complete proteins, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient amounts. Examples of these complete proteins include quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, and soy products like tofu and tempeh. Other great sources are hemp seeds, chia seeds, spirulina, and nutritional yeast. Whole grain breads, particularly Ezekiel bread, also fall into this category. Including these foods in your diet makes it easier to meet your protein needs without having to combine multiple sources at every meal. Now, many plant proteins are incomplete, which means they may lack one or more essential amino acids. However, by eating a variety of foods throughout the day, vegans can combine different sources to create complete protein profiles. For instance, grains like rice are low in lysine but high in methionine. On the other hand, legumes such as beans and lentils are high in lysine but lower in methionine. When you eat rice with beans or lentils, you create a balanced intake of amino acids that covers all essential amino acids. Some practical combinations that provide complete proteins include rice and beans, hummus with pita bread, a peanut butter sandwich made with whole grain bread, and lentils with whole grains like barley or oats. These combinations are not only delicious but also easy to prepare. Additionally, plant-based meat substitutes and foods like mycoprotein, which is found in products like corn, also offer complete protein options for vegans. It is important to note that vegans do not need to consume complete proteins at every single meal. As long as they eat a variety of protein sources throughout the day, they can ensure their bodies receive all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. Plant-based proteins tend to be lower in saturated fat and higher in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to animal proteins. This means that a well-planned vegan diet with diverse protein sources supports adequate protein nutrition without relying on animal products. So, whether you are a long-time vegan or just curious about plant-based nutrition, remember that getting complete proteins is all about variety and balance in your meals. Enjoy the journey of discovering delicious plant foods that nourish your body.